I think no one would disagree that this is the largest RV that the Blue Plate Sabre can operate. It's 1.9 meters long, 2.55 meters wide, and 3.96 meters high. Doesn't it seem a bit smaller than you imagined? So, on top of the single-story structure, 2 more stories were added, creating a sky garden. Plus, it has a newly wrapped Hermes-style color scheme. Crucially, it's equipped with an imported Ericsson DVT solenoid box and a full fuel function, making it much easier to drive than advertised. Looking back, there's a glass window that leads directly to the living area. The vehicle has a large fuel tank with a 3-wheel drive system. The fuel filler is located here, so you don't need to worry about fuel consumption. Next to it is a speed reduction and parking area, and above that are 2 windows, one for adding water and the other for charging. The power outlet also supports outdoor power supply. This set of outdoor equipment in the north is really practical. First of all, the storage box is incredibly spacious. It's a through-type box that can fit all your fishing gear. There are also 2 sets on the side, and the middle one can be opened throughout. The 2 control panels on both sides are useful when you are jumping around. You can even put your big motorcycle underneath. The entire system in the north is operated by a handheld remote control. Lift it up. Please see the electric lighting, windproof camera, and the video of the shooting studio. Subscribe for more amazing content.